Hi, this is Hannah from CS Car. Today our workshop is going to install two items kits of Mansory for Bentley bentayga. They are fiberglass hood and middle grille. They have finished the spire pan, very high glosses. But we can make in carbon fiber material. It will be more nicer. But the fitment is same because they produce from the same mold. Look, bentayga is a super car. Everybody knows. For this car, we have two style body kit can fit on. One is Mansory, another one is W12. I have a small chat with our technicians. We will finish the installment in the afternoon. It's very easy install. We just need to put the factory hood and grille out, then put our Mansory case on. During the installing, I want to share with some story with you. You know, for our domestic customer, we offer door-to-door service. That is why we can get a lot of feedback after modification. Tell me what color is for your car. Maybe our workshop installed before. I love to share with you the photos. Let's have a look after the modification. Look, see the gas between hood, feather and bumper. Just small gas that proves the good fitment. If you are worried the quantity, see this video. I believe you could easy to make the decision. Okay guys, don't forget message me to get the photos, more photos. If you like the video, please give me the like.